before you read. In 1997, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, for example, between Earth and a space station. Question 2 of 1A. Naturalized US citizen dash dash definition as per dictionary. One who, being born an alien, has lawfully become a citizen of the United States under the Constitution and laws. He has all the right of the natural born citizen except that of being eligible as President or Vice President of the United States. Question 2 of B. Space. The dimensions of height, depth, and width within which all things exist and move. The work gives the sense of a journey in space and time. The physical universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Some further definition of question 2 of B. Space. The near vacuum extending between the planets and stars, containing small amount of gas and dust. See synonymous dust. See synonymous also. Question 2 of C. Frontiers of space. The land or territory that forms the furthest extent of a country's settled or inhabited regions. Question 2 of 1D. Aboard, on or into a ship, a aircraft, a train, or other vehicle. The plane crashed, killing all 158 people aboard, on or onto. Question 2 of 1E. Lift off. How is it different from takeoff? The vehicle takeoff of a spacecraft, rocket, or helicopter. On an aircraft, leave the ground, take to the air, take wing, be launched. Question 2 of 1F. Crew. A group of people who works on and operate a ship, aircraft, etc. A craft or vehicle with a group of people to operate it. The ship's captain and crew may be brought to trial. Normally, the spacecraft is crewed by a group of people. Notice the spelling of these words in this lesson. 1. Airplane. 2. Program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? Spelling of American US. A I R P Airplane. Spelling in British English: aeroplane. 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 Here the spellings are different and pronunciations are also different. Airplane, aeroplane. Spelling in American US: program. 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 In British English: program. 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 Here pronunciation is same, but the spelling are some different. In this question, children have to understand what is the difference between American and British languages. There are differences in some pronunciation, meaning, syllables in both the languages, and some words have the similar meaning, pronunciation and spelling. इस प्रश्न में बच्चों को यह समझना होगा कि अमेरिकी और ब्रिटिश भाषाओं में क्या अंतर है। दोनों भाषाओं में कुछ उच्चारण, अर्थ, शब्दांशों में अंतर होता है और शब्दों के अर्थ और उच्चारण और वर्तनी समान होते हैं। You can see the below in example. The difference in pronunciation and syllable of these two words tells us that in order to learn different languages, children have to understand pronunciations, meanings and spellings of the same word. इन दो शब्दों के उच्चारण और शब्दांशों में अंतर हमें बताता है कि विभिन्न भाषाओं को सीखने के लिए बच्चों को एक ही शब्द के विभिन्न उच्चारण, अर्थ और वर्तनी को समझना होगा। A news report: tragedy in space. US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia, carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, against great opposition from her father, she waits for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA in 1994. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to astronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievements is awe-inspiring. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on to it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off to fulfill their dreams. Adopted from Spain, January-February 1998. Educate everyone. सभी को शिक्षित करें. बच्चों की शिक्षा के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए समर्पित. सीखो और सिखाओ. These books improve your knowledge, reading, pronunciation and translation skills.